What up, what up, what up? It's your boy, Coach Funk, and we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to show you how to apply for a Meta Ventures. So I'm in Detroit, and the thing about how you apply for your store is you must have a property in that city. You must have a structure that's capable of holding in that particular serve meta venture that we want to open. So the first thing is we must be in that city and we must send to the city hall. So I'm in Detroit and I'm sending to the city hall, as you see. Once I get there, I'm going to go ahead and click on the site by the tab, and it will give me options, right? I'm going to the metaverse applications. These are the meta ventures that I have currently in Detroit, right? So I'm going to go and apply. I'm going to read this, right? Market. And now I must select the location. So I know where it's at, and for this particular meta venture, a cart/car showroom, I need a medium showroom 2 at least, right? So I'm going to select that. That's right outside of Evergreen, Lasher 78 at the top on 8 Mile, to the left at a McDonald's that I acquired. So we're going to go ahead. It gives me the option to select the car showroom. I must have 3 items to qualify. I have more than 3 items. Now the name. So the name is HGF Velocity Garage. Next, I'm going to bring up my information. So here we go. And this is the description. Just typing in everything. I wish I could copy and paste, but it won't allow me. So I gotta do what I gotta do, right? So it's not too long. Definitely built different. Tap in, learn, build, and run with us. Join the movement, and this is where I can invite them or anyone to my Discord. Awesome. So I put that in. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Awesome. Looks good. No typos. I'm just making sure. Next. Now we're going to upload the pictures. This one is all right. Almost done. Bam. We'll let us check it out as well once we're done. Awesome. Review. That's how it looked, ladies and gentlemen. Right there. And all we got to do now is, it looks good. I like it. We got our influencer right there. Emira. Submit. And it's been submitted. Now we wait. And ladies and gentlemen, that's how you submit a meta venture.